We'll guide you through how to get support from Mailchimp if you're having trouble. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp website. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, look at the bottom right corner of your dashboard, where you'll see the Help or question mark tab. Click on that. This will open up a new help menu with various options. From here, you can access the Contact Support option, but remember, this option is available only to paid users. If you're on a free plan, you might need to upgrade to access direct support. For paid users, after clicking Contact Support, you'll see a list of support options like email or chat support. Choose the option that best suits your needs, and you'll be prompted to provide details about your issue. Mailchimp's support team is usually quick to respond, especially via chat. If you're not a paid user, don't worry. You can still search the knowledge base from the Help menu. It has a wealth of articles and FAQs that might have just the solution you need. Just type your question or issue in the search bar and browse through the results. Another great option is the Mailchimp community forum, where you can ask questions and get answers from other users. Just go back to the Help menu and select Community to access it. Remember, having a clear description of your problem and any error messages will make it easier for support to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.